So what I'm going to do is a talk through drive. Right at the roundabout, centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right. Look at where I'm going, look that way. Look at where I'm going, look that way. Look at where I'm going, look that way. All clear, nice and easy. And just as you're passing that exit, left mirror, left indicator, and away. So it's a 20 zone we're in, and we've got a Porsche behind us. So if you get any benefit from this video whatsoever, I'm only here to try and help you pass your driving test first time. Please give me a like down there, please. Possibly even a comment. You just write a comment out. If there's anything in particular you want me to cover, like then. Look, we're going right towards Bangor. Centre mirror, right mirror, indicator. I'm watching that black car. I can see behind that black car there's a decent gap before that van gets to us. I'm in the right hand side just here, looking to the right, and we've got a nice gap behind that black car, and away. Look at where I'm going. Right hand lane, because I'm going right to the roundabout. Third exit, that's exit number 2. Left mirror, very important, left indicator, and away. Go on, Mr. Porsche, you can do it. I'll have you later. We're going straight ahead of the roundabout, second exit. Now, as you can see, it's beyond 12 o'clock. However, look how thick the line is for Holyhead compared to us, or the two on the left and the right. I am going to approach in the left-hand lane because it says on the floor, look at the arrows. Straight ahead and left, straight ahead and right. Looking over there, all clear, yep, all good. That's what the arrows are telling me to do. Look at the arrow on the floor and start picking speed up. Road signs and road markings are very, very important. They are there to try and help you on your journey. Those signs are telling us that in 300 yards, the 2 lanes are becoming 1, okay? So, see the arrows on the floor telling overtakers to get back in. Always check your mirror about here, just in case somebody's trying to squeeze in at the last minute, okay? And I have seen it quite often where cars have gone onto that red. It is super, super dangerous and super, super illegal. They should make those solid white lines rumple strips. That would help. Now then, 62, just ease off the gas a little bit. If you do drift over the speed limit, 1-2 miles an hour, it's not the end of the world, as long as you spot it and ease off and bring it back down to just at the speed limit or just below. We're going to go right to the roundabout. It is a third exit. If you look at the sign for this roundabout, there's 1, 2, 3, there's 4 exits and 5 including this one, okay? Look how thick the lines are that leading off the circle. We are going for the thick line, which is the main route. Centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right. Now then, I'm looking at that yellow van. I'm planning it, looking at the blue car, the white car. Now then, that white van is on the left lane. So that's telling me, but I would like to, ooh, okay, and away. So there was a car then in the wrong lane, okay? There was a little white car, left mirror, left indicator, making sure there's nobody in that outside lane before you indicate. If you do look in that left mirror and there's somebody in that outside lane, you have to go around the roundabout again. See brake lights in the distance? Whenever you see brake lights, my personal first reaction is off the gas, check my mirror. I know I should check my mirror first, but my first reaction must be off that gas. I will check my mirror if I have to touch the brake. Brake lights, so I'm keeping a nice safe gap between me and the car in front. In the dry, it's 2 seconds, at least 2 seconds. Now then, we're going to go right at the next roundabout, third exit into Bangor. Centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right. Now, on this one, there's a countdown to the roundabout because you can't see it, because it's just round that bend. Now, look at the road markings. I'm in the right-hand lane for going right or straight ahead. Watching that black car over there, watching that silver car. There we go, look at my lane, look behind him. And there we go, nice gap there. Excellent. And left mirror, left indicator, making sure there's nobody in that outside lane. Mirrors first, indicate second, move third. MSM. Now, roundabout coming up, we're going to go straight ahead of this roundabout. It's second exit. First exit is up onto the A55 towards Anglesey. The second one is straight ahead towards Bangor. You can see the new speed limit. Now then, I'm watching those cars on the slip road on the right and anything coming towards me. Nothing coming towards me at the moment. I'm looking to the right. I can see there's a few cars there. Right, looking to the right, looking to the right. Do I have time? No, I don't. And he's coming round. He's coming round. Then there's 2 black cars over there. They look like blockers to me. They're going to Carnarvon. So I've got time to go now. There we go. Left mirror, left indicator to come off. Looking for blockers. There's 2 lanes over there. Yeah. The lane on this side, people are coming round, they're going to affect me. People on that side are potential blockers. Now then, we're in a 40 zone. Just keep an eye on somebody pushing their way through. That line he's crossing there now is a give way line. People are supposed to give way, but people do tend to push. Now then, I think we'll go straight ahead of this roundabout. We'll do a few roundabouts, follow the signs for Bangor. You can see it straight ahead, first exit. If it's first exit, I'm going to check my mirrors and indicate left now. Look over to the right. Can't see anybody. He's going left. Is he coming round? No, he's not. There we go. Keeping an eye on the cyclist on the left. Cancel the indicator. We will go straight ahead. I think we'll go to Coed Mawr. Keep an eye on her, him, they, them. Now then, even though it's a 30 along this stretch, you can see I'm only doing 21. It's really busy. Now then, we're going to go straight ahead. Normally, if we're going straight ahead, it'd be left lane, unless road markings or signs say otherwise. See this sign here? This one? It's wrong. This shouldn't have a left arrow on it. Only straight ahead. Left mirror, left indicator. Whoever painted that arrow has made a bit of a boo-boo in my opinion. We're going to go straight ahead. This is a mini roundabout, so we're going straight ahead, so I'm not going to use any indicators at all. To exit, to come off a mini roundabout, you don't need to do a left mirror, left indicator. Just looking for clues of where they are going. Right then, looking at the cars on the right, looking for any clues. If anybody had an indicator, I would have to give way to them. Watching them, watching them, watching them. Nobody, nobody, nobody. At the next roundabout, we're going to go straight ahead. It's exit number 3. Now, a lot of people do pop a right indicator on here. That's okay, because it is the third exit and there is a turning to the left just before it. So I could pop a right one on. Look over there. Nobody coming round. Exit number 3, that's 1. That's 2. I must cancel my indicator, left mirror, left indicator here, because if there's somebody over there, they'd think we were going all the way around. Cancel the indicator. Mini roundabout coming up. Now, because the road markings are quite bad, just be aware it is a roundabout. We are giving way to the right. Anybody there? Slowing it down. Look, 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 look. Nobody there. And away. I slowed even slower then because I couldn't see if there was anybody coming from the right till the last second. Watching these cars on the left, watching for any reversing lights, any movement whatsoever. Watching these three young lads. I don't want them to trip up and fall in front of me. Ease off. I'm doing 22. Naughty, naughty, naughty. We are going straight ahead of the roundabout. He completely missed the roundabout altogether. Anybody there? Nobody there. No need to indicate. We are going left of the roundabout towards Conway, even though it looks straight ahead. Look at the sign. Centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left. Look towards the high street, towards Asda High Street, Asda High Street, supermarket, supermarket. Nobody. Follow the little white car in front. We're going to go straight ahead here. This is quite a difficult one coming this way, okay? Because there's a junction, there's a giveaway line, which we're giving way to that red car over there. See him? Now then, he could pull out because there's nothing coming from his right. Why he's being hesitant, I don't know, because it is his priority. Nobody else. That's it. We're going straight ahead. Look for indicators. I can't see no indicators. We're all good. Straight ahead. Suicidal seagull. Really? Jeepers. We're going to go straight ahead of the roundabout. It's first exit. Driving tests never go straight ahead of this roundabout. They always, if you come in this way, turn right here. Now then, I'm going to pop a left indicator on to tell everybody we're coming off on the next available exit. All clear? Let's go. I'll straight line that one. Now this next roundabout and the roundabout afterwards, I'm going to do what they call straight line it. Basically, taking the shortest route, okay? Everybody does. There's only one lane on the approach and it's impossible for anybody to be next to you, okay? So, look into that at that white car, no indicators and it's far enough away. And straight line it, left mirror, left indicator on the gas, let's go. You're finished with the roundabout, get going. Can you straight line a roundabout? Yes, you can. I teach all my students to straight line that one, and I teach all my students to straight line this one. It's impossible for anybody to be next to you, okay? Just look at everybody, everybody's straight lining it, okay? It's the first exit we're coming off on. Centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left, look to the right, nobody there. He's not coming round, you can tell. Straight line it, nobody goes over there. Get on the gas, let's go. Drive it like you stole it. Right at the roundabout, third exit towards Holyhead A55. Now then. Nothing coming. Going right, third exit. Keep my eye open. Left mirror, left indicator. Now normally we wouldn't have these cones and things. Just watching him. Now, slip road's on, indicate right. Get your foot down. It's your job now to match the speed of everybody else on the dual carriageway.